Today is National Fentanyl Awareness and Prevention Day. Our Emily Slater is speaking with health and recovery experts about how we combat this dangerous drug.
Narcan is one of the most important tools in fighting overdose deaths. Narcan is a nasal spray that can stop opioid overdose.
It'll bump it off of the receptor and start the breathing process going again, but it's only temporary. Okay, you have to give it again and again. Okay, once you get them into the hospital, then you can stabilize the patient, but in the meantime, this gets them breathing, which is obviously life-saving.
County Health Officer Gregory Loomis volunteered to be Narcan to show how easy and safe it is. Check the pupils and pulse. Narcan is safe to use whether a person is overdosing or not. If there is a question, it is safe to administer the drug. Insert the dispenser into the nose, press the plunger to administer the drug. Put the person on their side to keep them from aspirating as they recover. Get emergency medical help right away. Each Narcan dispenser holds 1 dose of the drug. With fentanyl, it may take multiple doses to reverse the overdose.
So the problem that we're seeing here is we're already ahead of last year's overdoses. And by far, the vast majority of them are fentanyl overdoses.
The number of overdoses and deaths in the area had also climbed last year.
We try to use this technique called harm reduction. And the way that I explain that is you try to keep somebody alive until you can get them treatment. So for example, if somebody is in kidney failure, they have an option of getting dialysis until they get their kidney.
Lindsay Krebs is the executive director of the Recovery Cafe in Lafayette, a space for those in any kind of recovery to find support.
Harm reduction does save lives, and the cafe really works hard to embody what harm reduction means, which is any positive change.
Dr. Loomis describes one positive change coming from a negative reality.
People are asking for help more than they were in the past because of the dangers of the drug.
In the last 4 months, 18 people have entered treatment through the needle exchange program housed in Recovery Cafe. Lindsay is glad to see National Fentanyl Prevention and Awareness Day being highlighted in Lafayette.
I think overall, drug use is not going anywhere. And if we choose as a community to ignore the reality of substance use, then we're going to be in a lot of trouble.
If you are a loved one or in need of help, Dr. Loomis urges you to contact the Tippecanoe County Health Office. Emily Slater, Star City News, Lafayette.